Hello everyone, welcome to today's live session. So today's topic is going to be very interesting and very important. That's why I'm very excited about the today's topic. And the today's topic is why mechanical engineers struggle to get jobs and how to overcome it. Okay, so this is very important. Not important. This is very important. Sorry, very important for mechanical engineers to know why they struggle to get a job and how to overcome it. Okay, so let me ask you honestly that have you done your mechanical engineering or degree or diploma and applied for hundred of jobs and don't get any reply back, or you are currently working in a company and you feel stagnant and you are not getting job opportunities? So today's video is for those person which are facing these kinds of problem. Okay, so this video is very important. Watch this whole session because you will understand that how to overcome this problem. Okay, it is not only you. Every mechanical engineer faces this problem. Every mechanical engineer thinks that why this is happening to me only, why others are getting proper jobs and getting proper hikes, but I'm not getting. You feel that I am I'm get stuck at some point. So today's video is going to help you to overcome these kinds of problem. Okay, so watch this full video because this will help you to grow in your career and improve you, not only for career, but it will help you to grow your personality. Okay, if you grow your connections, then you will get proper jobs, you get proper companies. Okay, so watch this full video and take your pen, pencil or notebook because in today's video I'm going to share each and everything in detail. Okay, so let me start. What are the points which I'm going to cover in today's video? Okay, if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon and tap all notification on, so that you will not miss any of my videos. You will get notified if, for every time each new video comes out. Okay, so hit that bell icon. Okay, so let's start. The problems which I am going to cover in today's session. So first one is why mechanical engineers. Please write it down because this will be very helpful. Struggle. Okay, root cause. So first point is going to be why mechanical engineers. Let me write it again. I think it will not be clear. Okay, struggles. So first point is going to be why mechanical engineers struggle, root cause. This will be the first point. Okay, and the second will be, 1 minute, how to overcome it, actionable solution. Okay, this is going to be the second point, that is how to overcome it. If you are facing this, why if first point is why mechanical engineer struggles, then the second point is our how to overcome it. If you are facing any struggle, then basically the next point should be how to overcome it, how to sorry, how to overcome this struggle. Okay, so second point is that how to overcome it. I'm going to give you actionable solution. Let's see the third point, which is long term. 1 minute. Long term growth mindset. This is the third point, long term growth mindset. And the fourth point will be step by step action plan. And in between, I will give you one example so that you can relate with it. You don't feel that this kind of problem happened to me, because you are not alone. You are not a alone mechanical engineer. There are many more. Okay, so in between I am going to give you one example also, which is a real story based example. Okay, so watch this video. Let's start with the first topic, that is why mechanical engineers struggle, root cause. Okay, write it down because I'm going to give each and every point in detail. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so let erase this one. Our first topic is the why mechanical engineers struggle. Sorry, let me set it. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so let's start with the first point, that is why first one is industry saturation. Okay, write it down, guys. Industry saturation. Okay, this will be the first point in why mechanical engineers struggle, industry saturation. So every year in India alone, nearly 1.5 to 2 lakh mechanical engineer graduate. Globally the number is even higher. Okay, every year in India alone, nearly 1.5 to 2 lakhs. Okay, 1 second. Yes, 1.5 to 2 lakh mechanical engineers graduates. Okay, globally the number is even higher. Globally is even higher. Okay, but okay, that creates competition versus opportunity imbalance. Okay. Okay. So first point is industry saturation, and in industry saturation, every year in India alone, nearly 1.5 to 2 lakhs mechanical engineer graduate. Globally, it's even higher. Okay, that's create competition versus opportunities imbalance. This is one of the reason why mechanical engineers struggles to get the jobs. Okay, because if each year 1.5 or 2 lakh engineers graduate, there are not that much companies. Okay, so you have to be good in what you do. Okay, so this is the first point, industry saturation. Because of industry saturation, mechanical engineers struggle. This is one of the root cause. Let's see the second one, that is skill gap. Let erase this one. Okay, let me see. Okay, each and everything is right. Second one is skill gap. So this is the second point, and in these colleges teaches us basics like thermodynamics, thermodynamics, SOM. SOM full form is strength of material. Some call it SOM. So I have written in short form SOM. Okay, SOM, fluid mechanics, etc. Okay, so colleges teach these basics like thermodynamics, strength of material, fluid mechanics, etc. But the industry wants engineers who can use SolidWorks, AutoCAD, Creo, CATIA, or also understand PLC, automation, or robotics and data driven manufacturing. Okay, they required someone who is good in SolidWorks, CATIA, Creo, this kind of designing software, and also understand automation, PLC, and data driven manufacturing. Okay, so there are skill gap in today's generation. That is, most colleges teaches us basics like thermodynamics, strength of material, fluid mechanics, etc. You can add subjects like theory of machines or dynamics of machineries, like that. But companies required who understand or who works on softwares like SolidWorks, CATIA, Creo, and also understand automation, PLC, data driven manufacturing. This is the company requirement which students don't able to fulfill. That is also one of the problem why mechanical engineers struggle to get a job. Okay, so this mismatch is the biggest reason many graduates or currently working professionals don't able to get proper job. Like they start with 10,000 salary as a fresher, but they can go for even higher if they know these things like SolidWorks, Creo, CATIA, this kind of software, or they basically understand automation, PLC, data driven manufacturing. This will help them to get proper job. Okay, so let's move to the next topic, not next point, which is third, and that is lack of specialization. Okay, third point is lack of specialization. So first point will be most mechanical engineer present themselves as generalists. Okay, present themselves as generalists. They know each and every part little, like they know some part of thermodynamics, some part of design of machine elements, some part of theory of machines, some parts of fluid mechanics, but industry don't want people like this. Okay, industry want someone specialized. Okay, like let me tell you, good in HVAC design. Okay, product design, or knows about material handling. Okay, so current mechanical engineers know little things of each and every part, but they don't do specialization. Like if I will be excellent in HVAC design, then company will be interested in me. If I am good in product design, for example, I am good in conveyor design, or I am good in heavy engineering design, like that. If I am good in something, then company will be interested in me. If I am not good, if I know that how to design bolt, okay, that one point I know. Now second point, that I know how to design sprocket, how to design gear. These small topics is good for calculation, but you have to good in these topics like HVAC design, product design, or know about material handling, or automotive, or renewable energy. This is the specialization that current company is searching in the students, in the professional. So this mismatch we are currently facing. Because of this, we are facing job problems, and something that mechanical engineers don't have job, but we are not that skilled the company wants. Okay, so this is the problem we are in, and we are blaming companies that they are not having job opportunities. That is wrong. Okay, we are lacking in our skills. That's why they are not hiring us. So second one is lack of specialization, present themselves as journalists, graduates or professional present themselves as journalists, but company wants someone who is specialized. Okay, like good in HVAC design, product design, material handling, or knows about renewable energy, or knows about automobile sector, like that. Okay, so this is the third point, lack of specialization. Let's move to the next point, which is poor networking and job hunting. We think that only knowledge will help us to get a job. No, that is the wrong mentality. We have to build our connections, networks. We have to be good in that also, because that also help you to land a proper job. If you know someone, some HR in good company, then you can forward your resume in that company. If you don't know person like that, you won't be able to land a proper job in that company. Okay, so this is also very important point, because of which mechanical engineers struggles. Okay, so let's move to the fourth point: poor networking and job hunting skill. Many people don't know about how to hunt for jobs. Okay, there are many portals, then also many people don't know that which portal is for which purpose. Okay, so lot of engineers know about this: naukri.com or LinkedIn. Okay, but let me ask you honestly, that how many of you have built a proper connection on LinkedIn, and how many of you know that how to grow your connections on LinkedIn? Okay, you basically don't know that how to grow your connection, how to grow your community, how to grow on LinkedIn. If you grow on LinkedIn, then someone will connect with you, or if you will connect with someone, then you will get opportunity. For example, I am a design engineer. If I will connect with another design engineer from other mechanical engineer company. For example, currently I am working as a mechanical design engineer in material handling and automation company. If I am connecting with, let's say, X person working in YZ company, okay, if I will get connected to X person on LinkedIn, and he is in YZ company, which is same in automation and material handling, and if I will tell him that please refer me in your company, then he will probably do that, because we are get connected, and this referral helps them also and us also. So this type of connection if I build, then it will be helpful for me to land a proper job. For example, in my current company I am getting 10 LPA package, and in this company I will get around 15 to 20 LPA package. Then why not? This is the good opportunity. So try to grow yourself on LinkedIn, and try to grow on Naukri also. Learn how to do job hunting on naukri.com. Okay, because this is the basic skill you should have to get a job. Okay, or else you don't be able to get a job. So currently many people don't know how to do that. Okay, how to connect with people on LinkedIn, and how to search for job on Naukri. So try to learn this thing, because this is the most important problem: poor networking and job hunting skills. Most people don't have this skill, networking and job hunting. So because of that, mechanical engineers, or let me say, you are struggles to get a job. Okay, so this is one of the reason: poor networking and job hunting skill. And the main source for fulfill that, you have to go on naukri.com or LinkedIn. This will be helpful to get a job of proper package. Okay, so this is the fourth point. Let's move to the next point, which is fifth: outdated knowledge. Oh, sorry. Okay, but this is the last point. So that's why I will erase that also. 1 minute, let me settle this. Why is this unstable? Okay. Okay. So let's start with the fifth point, which is outdated knowledge. So mechanical engineering is evolving fast, and our colleges is not that fast evolving, because the thing you have learned 4 years, you started learning in market. Company is evolving, current company is using additive manufacturing or IoTs in machine. And if you are not learning this kind of thing at current situation, then you are behind. Okay, so this is also one of the problem, outdated knowledge. Write it down. Mechanic, let me write in short. Mechanical engineering is evolving fast. Industries are shifting towards Industry 4.0, additive manufacturing, IoT, IoT in machines, and sustainability. And if you only know what you have studied for years ago, if you only know what you have studied 4 years ago, then you are lagging. You have to be, if you currently pursuing engineering, you have to be up to date. You have to know that what is currently trending, what are the mechanical engineer looking for, okay, mechanical engineering companies looking for. So you have to be updated, because if you only know what you have studied 4 years ago, then really friends, you are lagging. Okay. And mechanically, as you have seen, mechanical engineering is evolving fast. Industries are shifting towards Industry 4.0, additive manufacturing, IoT in machines, and sustainability. Okay, so mechanical engineering company growing very fast, and if you will not cope up to that, then you will lag and you will get difficulty in landing a proper job. That is also one of the problem why mechanical engineers struggle to get a job. Okay, so we have completed our first point. Let me share one example with you. A mechan I'm sharing example of a mechanical engineer. Okay, let's call him Aman. Let me erase this first. Okay, so Aman. He is graduated in 2019 and he is searching for 1 minute, but he could not find job for around 1 year. He is good in he is brilliant in his academic, but still can't be able to get a job. He got frustrated and thinking that mechanical engineering has no future. Okay, but after few months, he landed a job around in 8 months. He landed a job in automation company. So what he did different? Why? How he got the job in automation company? Okay, so let me tell you that he started to learning different design courses. Okay, design courses, and starting doing some small freelance project which help him to understand how the project works. And the third one is he started building his LinkedIn connection, which is very important. 1 minute. Hmm. LinkedIn connections. Okay, so by doing this, he started doing design courses, then he started some doing some small freelance project which helped to build him sorry, which help him to understand that how project work, what are the points in the project, and it also help him to learn that what are the current market requirements. Okay, and the third one is the he started building LinkedIn connection. By doing only these three things, he landed a job, and currently he is earning around 8 to 10 LPA of package. Okay, so this is the story of one of the mechanical engineer whose name is Aman. So this is the example I want to share with you, because it will help you to understand that every mechanical engineer struggle. Okay, they don't know that how to get a job, how to land a proper job. They struggle in this because colleges don't teach them. Colleges teach technical thing only. They teach you thermodynamics, they teach you mechanics, they teach you strength of materials, but they don't teach how to get a proper job. Okay, so in today's video I am sharing you that how to overcome that problem. Okay, which mechanical engineers struggle. So let's move to the next point, that is how to overcome it. So second one is how to overcome it. Okay, this will be the second point. So in this 1 minute. Okay, so six people are live. Drop your questions in the chat box so that I can understood, sorry, not understood, I can understand what are your problems. Okay, so feel free to drop your question. Okay, so let's start how to overcome it. actionable solution. Okay, so first one is upgrade your skills. So how can you upgrade your skill? So let me write, learn at least one core design software. One core design software. Okay, on this topic I have released one video also, 5 best CAD software. Watch that video, you will understand that which CAD software is good for you. So try to learn at least one core design software. Okay, so you can learn SolidWorks, Solid Edge, or Autodesk Inventor, or Katia, based on your requirement. Okay, based on that I have uploaded a video. Go watch that video, you will understand this one. Okay, so learn at least one core design software. Second, gain exposure to automation and robotics. Okay, so this is the second point to upgrade your skill, is that gain exposure to automation and robotics. So this is currently in very demand, automation and robotics. So upgrade your skill means gain exposure, gain knowledge regarding automation and robotics. Okay, let's move to the third point. Start with online certification. Try to get as many online certification as you can. Okay, learn each and everything. And the best platform to learn with online certification is that upgrade. You can go to Udemy, or you can go to Coursera, or you can go to LinkedIn Learning. These platforms are lot of courses. Okay, you can learn lot of things, each and everything. If you want to learn related to manufacturing, if you want to learn related to robotics, automation, if you want to learn related to design, each and everything you will get on that platform, like Udemy, Coursera, Upgrade, LinkedIn Learning. Okay, so start with online certifications, because that will help you to upgrade your skills. Okay, for example, let me tell you that you don't know about SolidWorks software, and you visit Udemy. Okay, and you search that I want to learn, not I want, SolidWorks course beginner to expert. They will give you some suggestion that these courses are available, and if you buy one of the courses and watch that full course and get the certificate and understand SolidWorks, then you have the certificate and you will understand that how SolidWorks work and how to work in SolidWorks. Okay, so this is also helpful. Start with online certification. So these are the 3 points in upgrade your skill. First one is learn at least one core design software. Second one is gain exposure to automation and robotics, and the third one is start with online certification. Okay, so this is one of the way to overcome your problem, which is getting a job or landing a proper job. Okay, let's move to the next point, which is build a strong portfolio. Okay, now how will you build a strong portfolio? Let's see in this point. Build a strong, so let's see first point. Instead of just writing proficient in SolidWorks, sorry, on your resume, show projects. Okay, create small projects like, 1 minute, belt conveyor, scissor lift design, etc. Okay, so instead of just writing that you are proficient in SolidWorks on your resume, try to show some of your project, because this will show your skills, that how much capable you are. Okay, like create small projects like belt conveyor, or you can create projects like scissor lift, or you can create projects like roller conveyor. This kind of projects you can show instead of just writing proficient in SolidWorks, because that will show that you are proficient in SolidWorks. Okay, you don't need to write this word that you are proficient in SolidWorks. So this is one of the things by which you can build a strong portfolio in your resume. Okay, so let's move to the next point, which is improve resume and LinkedIn profile. Now, how will you do that? Let's see. Okay, improve resume and LinkedIn profile. Let's see how you will do this. Okay, so this is the third point which we are going to cover. So first, make your resume skill oriented. Okay, not degree oriented, not just degree oriented. Okay, make your resume skill oriented, not degree oriented. You show your skills, not only your degree. Okay, show that you are good in something that I have shown, SolidWorks software, by showing your projects. These are the skill you are showing. Okay, or show your if you do something, some projects, different projects, irrelevant to technical, that also will help you to grow your resume. Okay, So this is the first point. Now let's see the second. Post regularly. The second point is for LinkedIn profile, your achievements, your projects, etc. Okay, so first one is make your resume skill oriented, not just degree oriented, and the second one is post regularly on LinkedIn. What you are going to post? Your achievements, your projects, and any other thing you have. Okay, that will build your LinkedIn profile, grow your LinkedIn profile, because growing your LinkedIn profile will help you to build connections, and this connection will help you to land a proper job. If you build your resume proper, that will also help you to build to get a proper job. Okay, so these are the two for the improve resume and LinkedIn profile. By doing these two, you can improve your resume and LinkedIn profile. Okay, let's move to the fourth topic, which is networking strategy. Networking strategy. So first point is join LinkedIn, join LinkedIn group related to mechanical design, automation, and manufacturing. This is one of the point which help you to grow your network. Okay, join LinkedIn group related to mechanical design, automation, and manufacturing. Connect with HRs. 1 minute, let me change. Connect with HRs and politely ask about opportunities. Okay, so this is the second point. Connect with HRs and politely ask about opportunity. There are one more point which you can do is that visit as many expos as you can, because in expo there are lot of exhibitors come. They showcase their machines, their projects, their company backgrounds. So this will help you to learn that what are the current company doing, what are the current company showing, not showing, making products like that. So this will help you to learn and grow more as a mechanical engineer, because as much as you know about the world, about you get the information about the industry, you will grow and you will learn. Okay, so that will be the third point which I am not writing, but that will also help you to grow in expose. You can connect with many peoples, because there are a lot of person comes in expose. Okay, that is also good for networking strategy. So this is the final point. for how to overcome it, and these are the actionable solution to overcome it and get a proper job. Okay, if you do this 4 point, then you will definitely get a job. So let's see the next point, which is long term career growth mindset. Okay, third point is long term career growth mindset. Okay, in this, first one is adaptability, second one is continuous learning, third one is never compare, and the fourth one is confidence and communication. Okay, these are the long term career growth mindset. First one is adaptability, second one is continuous learning, third one is never compare, and fourth one is confidence and communication. Okay, so world is moving very fast, moving towards EV and renewable energy, so you have to adapt. Okay, so this is one of the point that you have to implement in yourself for long term career growth. My career growth, that is adaptability. Second point is continuous learning. The same, world is growing and it is growing very fast, so try to learn each and every skill, try to learn and cope up with what our current industry providing. Okay, so continuous learning. For example, if you have learned SolidWorks software, and if you think that this is the best and I'm okay with it, no. If you want to grow as a mechanical design engineer, you have to learn about the designing skills. Okay, how to do, how to solve problems, how to evolve as a mechanical engineer. So continuous learning is very important. Okay, and the third one is never compare. Never compare yourself with other department. Like some people compare that computer science engineer is earning more than us. Don't do that, that is the negative mindset. Try to ignore that kind of thing. Okay, never compare your field, because your field is the main branch, because it is required in every field. Like if you want to design a car, okay, like for example, if you want to design this mobile, mechanical engineer required, because in this material, each and every material is designed by mechanical engineer, or you can say material science engineer. So that is very important, because in each and everything mechanical engineer is evolved. From fan, if you are making fan, if you are making AC, if you are making a clock, which are very useful in day to day life. If you want to make shoes, each and every place require mechanical engineering. So never compare your field with other, like you compare with currently which is trending, which is computer engineer. You compare yourself with electronics engineer. Don't do that, because mechanical engineer are mostly you engineering is in each and every field. Okay, from A to Z. Okay, so don't compare. And third one is confidence and communication. try to improve your confidence and try to improve your communication skill. Don't hesitate to talk with anyone, because that will not help you to grow. Okay, communication is most and very important thing, not for this field mechanical engineering. As a person, if you want to grow, communication and confidence is very important. Okay, that shows your mindset, and that shows your like personality, what kind of person you are. If you are good in if you are have good confidence and you are good in communication. Okay, so these are the long term career growth mindset, not only for mechanical engineering. This is for every person. Okay, this mindset is for every person. This is not restricted for mechanical engineering. For example, adaptability is not only for mechanical engineering, it is for each and every person. Like if you are in computer engineering also, you have to adapt the growing currently trending is the AI. You have to adapt it. If you don't adapt it, then you will lag behind. Okay, and you will lose your jobs. So adaptability is for each and every person, and continuous learning. As a human, if you want to grow, you have to do this, which is continuous learning. You have to learn day by day. You have to learn and grow day by day, because learning will help you to grow. Okay, and the third point is never compare. Never compare your skill, never compare your anything, because that is the negative mindset, and the negativity will destroy yourself. Okay, negativity will not help you to improve. Okay, so be positive and never compare yourself with anyone. That is also one of the mindset which each and every human being should have. Most people compare their self with other. This will not help you to grow. Okay, that because that is the negative mindset. And the fourth one is the confidence and communication. Don't hesitate to communicate, even if you go on stage or any other platform. Never hesitate to communicate with other people. Okay, because communication will help you to grow your network. And by growing your network, you will get proper jobs, or you will not only jobs, you will have many other things also. Okay, so these are the 4 points for long term career growth mindset. Now let's move to the last point, which is step by step action plan. Okay, which I have mentioned at the starting. So first one is select specialization. Example: design, automation, or you can say manufacturing, etc. Okay, select specialization. This is the first point. Second one is enroll in one relevant course this week. This is the task for you. You should do this. Okay, if you are looking for a job, then start to enroll relevant course for you, okay, this week. Build one small project. Try to make any small project, like I have uploaded many projects, like you can say uh, dough kneader machine. First, I have made manually operated dough kneader machine, and then I have sorry, and then I have optimized it by making it motorized, and I have named it as motorized dough kneader machine. And I have made machine like manual sweeping machine. You can sweep the road, or you can sweep the factory floor manually by do not using any machine or external source. By only pushing your sweeping machine, you can directly sweep your factory or shop floor, whatever you are using for. So try to make small project like that, okay. Like I have built some small project, you should also start to build small project to grow for the job you are looking for, okay. So this is the third point, and the fourth one is update your resume and LinkedIn profile, and also Naukri, okay, Naukri profile also. Stay consistent for 6 months, and apply for internships, and try to get some freelance work, okay. So step by step action plan for you. First one is select specialization. First, select what you want to specialize. If you want to specialize in design, if you want to specialize in automation, manufacturing, or etc., first select that, okay. So this is the first plan, and the second one is enroll in one relevant course this week. So this is the task for you. Try to enroll in any of the course, like I have said, SolidWorks course from beginner to expert. That kind of course you can join, or any other which you think that relevant to you, okay. So this is the second point. Build one small project. Like I have mentioned my project, some of my project. Try to build some project. If you are not getting any idea that which kind of project should I make, visit my channel. There are a lot of projects I have created. So see that project, that will help you to build that which kind of project you can make to showcase your skills, okay. So this is the third point, build one small project. This fourth one is update your resume and LinkedIn profile, and also your Naukri profile, okay. If you want to land a job, this is very important that you should update your resume and LinkedIn profile. Try to look at other resumes and LinkedIn profile, that what they are showcasing in your resume, in their resumes, in their Naukri profile, or in their LinkedIn profile, okay. And build according to that, which suitable to your profile or your skills, okay. So this is the fourth point, and fifth point is stay consistent for 6 months, okay. If you will be consistent for 6 months, I will assure you that you will land a proper job which is satisfactory to you, okay. And the sixth point is apply for internship. apply for internship, and try to get as many freelance work as possible, because that will help you to learn and grow, okay, and upgrade your skill. Okay, so that's it for today, and thank you for watching this video. And if you find this video helpful, please share with your friends, your mechanical engineer friends, your colleagues, or whomever you think that this will be helpful. Please share to them. And if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.